Recess is over, and there's been a mystery on the playground. Let's solve it! Cody found 5 soccer balls and some basketballs. She had 15 balls total. Oh, then Olo gave her 5 more basketballs. How many basketballs does Cody have now? Cody found 5 soccer balls and some basketballs, but we don't know how many. And she had 15 balls total. Let's stop here to figure out how many basketballs Cody started with. 5 plus what equals 15? 5 plus 10 equals 15. Cody had 10 basketballs. Then Olo gave Cody 5 more basketballs. How many basketballs does Cody have now? What a mystery! Let's solve for the question mark. 10 plus 5 is 15! Cody has 15 basketballs now.